So we all know bones keep us standing. But did you know that inside your bones right now there is a living factory producing brand new blood cells every single second? Meet your bone marrow. And trust me, it is worth knowing about. Here is something most people never learn in school. You actually have two completely different types of bone marrow. Red marrow is your body's blood cell factory, working flat out every single day. Yellow marrow is mostly stored fat, but here is the clever part. In an emergency, your body can actually convert yellow marrow back into red marrow to ramp up blood cell production. Your bones have a backup plan built right in. Inside your red marrow live some of the most hardworking cells in your entire body, hematopoietic stem cells. These incredible cells are essentially blank canvases that can become any type of blood cell your body needs. Right now, they are producing red blood cells to carry oxygen, white blood cells to fight infection, and platelets to heal wounds, all at the same time, all day, every day, without ever being asked. And the scale of what your bone marrow does is honestly hard to wrap your head around. 2 million blood cells every second. To put that in perspective, if you stacked all the blood cells your marrow produces in just one day, they would reach from the ground to outer space and back again. Your bones are quietly running the largest cellular production operation on the planet. But your bone marrow does not just make blood cells, it is also where your immune system gets its education. Lymphocytes, a critically important type of white blood cell, are born and trained right here in your marrow. They learn to recognize the difference between your own healthy cells and foreign invaders before graduating into your bloodstream as fully equipped immune defenders. Your bones are running an immune training academy on top of everything else. When your body faces a serious challenge, major blood loss, severe infection, or illness, your bone marrow shifts into emergency mode and accelerates dramatically. Yellow marrow begins converting back to red. Your body essentially throws every available resource at the problem. It is one of the most impressive emergency responses in human biology, and it happens entirely without you knowing about it. And here is something genuinely wonderful to think about. Every red blood cell in your body right now will be completely replaced within 120 days. Your bone marrow replaces your entire blood supply roughly 3 times a year, silently, perfectly, and without missing a single beat. Blood flowing through you today is brand new. Your bone marrow made sure of that.
Thank you so much for watching. If this gave you a new appreciation for what is happening inside your bones right now, please follow along. We are exploring a new incredible organ every single week, and you will not want to miss what is coming next.